Alright, you guys, it's a rainy night. This is kind of like a little spontaneous video. We're gonna go and catch some froggies. But yeah, if you guys don't know, when it rains, a lot of the frogs and toads come out, and we're gonna go catch them, baby. So come with us and let's see how many we can catch. Post in the comments below before we start catching these frogs, and guess how many you think we're gonna catch tonight. Link in the description. This one's kind of more for like my reptile fans from back in the day, but there's not too much car stuff going on, so we're gonna catch frogs, baby. Stay tuned for the frog adventure. Yeah.
Look at this stylish gem.
You got another proper gentleman. Look at this guy. He's got really cool colors. Well, I mean, the water's like down here, but that's like a far drop. But I just like, I don't want to just toss him down there. I'm gonna put him in the woods. Look at this proper gentleman. We're saving the frogs. Here you go, buddy. Skedaddle. Just seen this massive frog on the side of the road. Where's he at? Oh, oh my God. Oh, it's a bullfrog. It's a big bullfrog. Holy crap. Look at this monster. Oh. Look how big he is.
Oh my God.
He's so big. Look at this.
What the fuck?
Roll down the window so you can take a picture, or I'll come on that side. Look at this monster. The frogs are out today. Dude, he is so big.
Take a picture.
Alright, get a picture.
Hold on, take one from the side so I can see how long he is.
Let's put him. Just toss him over here. Here you go, buddy. Wake up. Here he is. Be free. Be free. Another one. We got another frog. This is another leopard frog. Another leopard frog. There we go.
Oh.
Look at this guy. Free. Be free. Nope. And he's going back in the road. Oh, no, there he goes. He's back. Got another one. Oh, there was one. Yeah. Pretty sure we see a little baby guy. Yeah, it is. Oh. A little baby leopard frog. Look at this. Look at this little baby leopard frog. He's a teeny tiny guy. And the release. Oh, he's gone. We got another toad. Another. Oh, he's chirping. He's vibrating. It's a male. Look, see how he's chirping?
Sounds like.
Alright, let's put him to safety. See you later, man.
He's kind of big.
Oh, come on.
Oh, no, he's gone. He's still going. He went straight up. He was kind of big.
Yeah.
That was a decent size. Here, we're gonna run him over.
Another leopard frog. Look at him. Get out of the road, buddy. Oh no, it's a toad. It's a red toad. It's a red toad. See him? The rain is bringing them. Oh, there's one right here and one right here. It's a great tree frog. Yes, we got one. It's a gray tree frog.
Is it a baby?
No, this is just how big they get.
No.
Yes, that was our mission. Here. Oh. Well, there she is. And there's another one right here. A leopard frog. Double whammy, baby. Oh, he's got a missing foot.
What?
He's got a missing foot.
Hold on, keep him right there.
He's literally got a missing foot, man. Well, the water's down there, so. See him hopping? He's right there. It might be a great tree frog. Oh. I stepped on him. Another leopard frog. They're out tonight. Look at this.
Did you hurt him?
No, I barely stepped on him. Go to the water, my friend. Go. See you later. Literally two seconds after we just got him. Oh, another toad. Let's go. Oh. It's another red toad. Huh. Get out of the road, toad. Literally 2 more seconds up the road, you guys. Another little baby toad. No, it's just a American toad. We're saving all the toads, guys. Get out of the road, toad. Get out of the road, toad. There's one over there. I just saw this one right here. Look at this guy. Come here, toady. Another toad. This is Toad Central. It's giving me hope that the toads are out. But, oh, bro. Get over there. We're literally on fire. Another toad. Oh, he's big. Oh, it's another one of these cool looking ones. It's got some cool colors. He's a cool looking one. See if he chirps.
Oh, he is cool looking.
Road. We missed another one up the road, but I couldn't stop in time. Literally blends right in.
He's big.
You gotta save this guy. This guy's stuck. Oh, he is big. Holy cow.
Is it a red toad?
Yeah, he's stuck. We gotta bring him off the land. We're just on this bridge right here. But he's probably confused. Ugh. Sorry about my trip. Oh, he's trying to get out of here. Here, put it in drive. All right, we're gonna save this guy. They see me rolling.
Make him drive.
All right, let's put him in the woods where he belongs. All right, buddy. Be free. We saved you off the road. I just stepped on him. I couldn't see him. He's all right though. All right, let's see what this guy is. What kind of frog are you? It's another toad. It's a baby toad. It's a baby toad. Sorry about my car. It's a baby toad.
Aw, he's tiny.
Get out of the road, bro. Ugh. Alright, let's see if we can find any, get one on camera. It's kind of hard to like watch for the frogs and hop out and do all this stuff, but we're gonna see if we can find one for you guys live.
There's one.
Is it?
Yeah, and he's kind of big. I think it's
Well,
a
literally
leopard.
20 seconds. toad. Oh, he's a nice one. He's a nice little toad. Let's put him over there. See you later, buddy.
Wait, I think I see one in the grass.
Where?
It might be a black rock.
Where?
No, it's not.
It's a rock. Oh no.
Is it?
Oh no, it was a rock.
I saw it.
Dang, it caught my neck. All right, this is the spot where I believe there's gonna be a good amount of them. So, might need to find a snake or something around here. Let's.
Is giving snake.
We got another one, boys. I think it's a leopard frog. There he goes. Back here, you son of a bitch. Man, Joe, you got stuck. Oh, there he goes. Oh, well, he's gone. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I haven't been posting for a while. It's been busy with work and the fam. But I'm gonna try. I say this in every video. I mean, this is gonna be my new outro, but I'm gonna try to keep on posting for you guys. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff this summer, so stay tuned for all that. And yeah, baby, we're going to get some crazy stuff going. I'm gonna try to get at least one video a week for you guys. And yeah, but I don't even know how many frogs we caught tonight. It was literally, I just lost count because they were just on fire. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment and subscribe. And yeah, I'm driving and vlogging. Yeah, see you guys later.